Hello guys, welcome to Tech Videos channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you essential features and settings for your mobile phone. So guys, for that go to your phone settings. Now tap on the search bar and search auto blocker. Now tap on auto blocker and you have to turn on this option. Now again go to your phone settings, swipe down and go to about phone. Tap on software information. Now tap on the build number at 7 times. And then your developer mode will be turned on. And after that you have to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone will be much smoother and faster. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.